Hey, hello, and welcome to a new video. Actually, yeah, a new video. You might have seen the one where we installed the Automotive radio. I hooked it up wrong, and a huge thanks to the community for catching that and bringing it to my attention. I didn't notice at first. Until I read the comments, so I didn't just want to quickly change it and be done. But also wanted to let you know that the people who pointed it out in the comments deserve acknowledgement. And I wanted to make sure they get the recognition they deserve. Who might try to do the same now, or yeah, hook it up, or watch the video but didn't read the comments? I think 2 or 3 people actually noticed it there though, really. That there was an error on my end. Specifically, the radio keeps restarting. That means it isn't getting constant power. So, basically when the radio starts up, it always boots completely from scratch. And would, for example, also reset the stations. Not save them, and it would keep losing them. I guess we just have to hook up the other adapter. Yeah, there were 2 adapters in the video. And I guess we need to hook this one up so it has constant power. So when it started, we shut it off, get out of the car, want to drive off again, it has to start completely from scratch. That's the first sign that should have stood out to me, but yeah. How it goes sometimes. So we're going to pull the whole thing out again and try rewiring it together, just so you guys know I made a mistake. Sorry about that. And yeah, like I said, we're already a pretty strong car community, in my opinion, with people who really know their stuff, honestly. So thanks for that. And yeah, I admit my mistake, so I'm correcting it with you now. Yeah, as you can see, I honestly think I handled that pretty well with the aperture. I really hope it doesn't snap off on me now. That would really suck, though. That's the problem when you have to recode something here again, to get the whole thing out without any problems. So, basically this is the cable. Right here. We've put the ISO Connect B on. Here red and yellow are the other way around. I think that's probably exactly what it is, yeah, no doubt about it, for sure, absolutely. The cable for the backup camera was this one right here. We'll fit that on later. Let's see if it works now. Just like it should. So, let's quickly test this to see what he's going to do for us. Key. Now yellow and red are basically swapped with each other now. Okay. I won't be able to fix this with the transmitters right now. That's surely staying now. Bam! And if we switch it on, it's back right away. And that was the mistake. You really need to watch out for that. And yeah, let's put the whole thing back together. Like I said, Automotive knew about it, which is why there were 2 adapters. Otherwise, you'd just swap yellow and red. Quick. When we then turn the whole thing on, it comes back on straight away, just as expected, exactly like before, once again. Then it comes back a lot faster. Before that, he had rebooted the whole system once. Alright, the backup camera cable is now hooked up again, exactly as of this very moment, as I'm saying this now. Then we'll put all of this away once again. So, okay, right? A lot of people have asked, Polo with a backup camera? What's the point of it? But yeah. Why not? Bam! Done. Folks. Bam. Yeah, guys. There really aren't any stickers on it. 'Cause I guess we'll call the video... Yeah, we'll call it... Stations Don't Save, or the radio. I don't know what we'll call it. But for people who will have this problem, we'll put something in place. Which pins are those? There are... because they're standardized. And either will pop up a picture showing where the constant power is and exactly where, I'll just put it in there in a moment, it's like it was wired before WO. We'll definitely insert a picture, we'll cut it in somewhere, and yeah, definitely thanks to the community for spotting this error. And for, of course, commenting on it right away. Definitely. If you still like the video, please drop a like and subscribe. See you next time, bye!